What's good, fam? Rego Ratio here. So I specialize in transmissions, but this customer seemed very nice and they got an exhaust leak. And I'm gonna see where the hell it's coming from, so let's listen to it. Hear that? This is a Chevy Traverse, it's not a V8 monster race car, right? So it shouldn't sound like that. Alright, we got the Chevy Traverse up. Let's see if we can find this noise here. It's coming a little bit back here. Oof, there you go, buddy. Look at that hole. Sheesh. That's like 20% more horsepower right there. Alright, so I loosened up this 13 mil here. So now this thing can walk home. I can really see how big that hole is. That's nuts. Anywho, we're not complaining here. So we got that nice and loose. So now it was kind of positioned here. You can see where it was rubbing up right here on this metal. So once I loosen that bad boy up, now I can orientate this where I want. I'm gonna put that sucker right there nice and flush. And just weld like a son of a gun. Make it nice and snug, and this lady be on her way. She's gonna be driving a nice, quiet sleeper. You love it.